Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying welcome back to part 2, assuming you were here for part 1. And I am not done, and that's okay, because that usually means something good is coming. We can hope that that's what it means in this case. I put a lot of gold behind, and now I want some gold in front, and I don't mind that a bit. I have all kinds of strange things happening. I had some leftover colors that I really wanted to use up. I have some colors that I want to add to. I have skewers and chains. That's good, but I think I need more of that because I love that color shift turquoise from folk art. It just brightens everything up just perfectly. That's exactly what I wanted. I'm really happy with that choice. Not so sure about that spiral there. That's okay. I'm getting very close to being satisfied with what I have. Trying to take a little bit of time and look and see what I have and what I might want to do to it. A lot of my paintings are pretty busy, but I want there to be a sort of a rhythm. I like to think of them as music, honestly, and I'm not the only one that does. That's okay. I want something down here because I see this line coming this way. I have birds in the trees. They have arrived. For me, it's February 4th. And I wanted to call yesterday the arrival. Evidently, there was a din out here of birds just going crazy celebrating their arrival. I am still enjoying dipping my skewer into miscellaneous wet gold paint and stealing a little for here or there. Even to the point of over the side, maybe. I don't want to go so far overboard that I feel I've overdone it. I still have some nice paint left, and I could ribbon pour it on, but I'm not sure that that's going to be exactly what I want to do. I don't believe that I can use my pink the way I'd like to, which is to just, hey, that's a dog hair. Go figure. I want to try. Oh well. Yeah. I have squeeze bottles for a reason. You gotta know that. So there's plenty of gold in there, and there's a little bit of pink. And I see this here. It didn't really turn out that I used all that much of that original black that I spread, but I'm not going to complain, and I think it'll be okay. I live in hope in any case. I'm going to just keep turning this way as I want. I kind of think I'd like to spread some more paint, but if I spread a little, I'm going to spread a lot. So I'm going to learn to live with what I've got and appreciate it. Not the orange. That might have been one too many things. I could do a little black. I could do a little white and be very happy. Maybe some white pearl. Let's try it over here first. See how I'm feeling about that. Interesting. Pink almost always disappears when there's white included. And I'm definitely going to have some more white. Okay, do I like it? I don't know. going to steal some of it? Yes, I am. That's kind of cool. I don't think I'm totally done with it. No, I wasn't. I don't want to get too loopy because I'll draw the eye. I'm pretty happy with a lot of this, I have to say. It's a fairly large piece to be done in a short amount of time, but it's fluid acrylics, so you don't really have a ton of time anyway. You have to be able to be ready and willing to finish in a short amount of time. I had a good time. I haven't torched. I do want a little more of that turquoise. I do finish short of the line where I want it to go. That way I can give the illusion that it's flowing through. I kind of like the idea of a little bit. I wish I had a little tiny bottle. Maybe if I move fast enough. It just makes me want purple. Don't ask me why. No idea. But I'm having a good time. It's got to count for something, right? So a little more. Right there. Boy, I'm so close to calling it good. I'm very tempted to say, check out the Amazon link below the video at no added cost to you if you want to help me out. You can find the OXO omelet turning spatulas. Best paint spreading tool around, bar none, I guarantee. Everybody agrees with me so far. What else do I want here? Anything? Oh boy. Maybe I want a few sort of white dots, because that wouldn't hurt my feelings a bit. But what I think I really want is some of my favorite purple. If I go too much further, I'm going to not be very happy though. That did not hurt too much. Where there's a little, there needs to be some more. I think I'm almost to the point where I know that if I go any further, I'm going to be unhappy. So I'm going to call that good and pull out my crib notes. I'm going to waggle a little paint with my skewer. Still unsure about that deep red color, red-orange color. So I think I'm going to distract the eye and throw a spiral in there. Did that help? No. So, what else are you going to do? I love that color, and I'm not unhappy I put it in there. And I need my bottles soon. So, there we go. I think that's it, and that's quite a bit of fun. I've got a few places I can spiral some stuff out. A few places I should probably not. I'm going to try and take the torch to this. Take the torch to release the bubbles in the pre-mixed paint. The recipe is in the video, underneath the video, excuse me, in the description. It will release patterns, but mostly it's meant to release the bubbles. I had a ball doing this. Some of these colors are just gorgeous. I have a little bit of color left, but I'm not too worried about it. I think next time if I put black on the background like I did this time, I could probably allow myself to use a little ball chain and pull things out. There might be a couple places I want some more dots. Well, that would be one of them, evidently. I love this blue. And I like it with the gold because it sells beautifully. I think I have almost enough dots. In the last 20 seconds of the video, you will see my playlist. So if you like what I do, there are over 430, 440 videos, depending on when I choose to post this. And what else? There's Pinterest and Instagram at the bottom of the description under the video. Ooh, do I want to do that? No, I don't. I'm going to throw a few spirals in because that's my thing. Ooh, and there's something in there that does not belong, and you are coming right out. Goodbye, thing that does not belong. I got to remember to look at this in the sunlight and pull anything strange that doesn't... Strange and anomalous, yes. That does not belong. I have some paint that did not go over the side. I'm really happy with that. That's a lot of fun. That is a turquoise color shift from Folk Art. I kind of want a whole bunch of pink, but I'll settle for this purple, which is another Folk Art product. Oh, not that dog hair, it isn't. And available at Michael's and Walmart. It's a multi-surface acrylic. And there's another purple by Folk Art called, it's not Folk Art, by their affiliated company Plaid. Also available at Walmart. I buy it all whenever I see it because you guys find it and buy it all when I can't find it anymore. So I buy it when I see it. I have other colors in that white and I kind of want something else to pop up, but I don't think that's going to be the way it works. I could also waggle my skewer. Huh? Not so sure about that. But it'll be alright. I distracted the eye from some of that rusty sort of coppery color. Usually I would be diddling like this after you're gone, but since the timer still says I have 3 minutes left, I can still play a little bit. And I want to drop some black in here. I hope I'm not wrong. Yeah, I like putting some of that black in with the white. Very much, in fact. Yes, that's a change I appreciate. Oh, I have a bug. Go away, bug. Yes, I did. I just had to know what a little black next to that turquoise would do. Kind of hope I keep my pink, but I'm not holding my breath. So what did I not tell you? Please give me a thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind, it helps my placement on YouTube. And if you decide you'd like to contribute to help keep the studio going, that's really appreciated. And you will be entered into a drawing where one of 4 paintings, if it's before February 28th, 2019, will be offered to you if your name is drawn. Actually, you'll get to choose, which is better. I get distracted, sorry. I'm painting, what can I say? I make mistakes. Hopefully not in the painting, just in the words. I know I'm partially out of your vision. I said my art is for sale, and contact me through YouTube if you'd like to talk to me about that. I'll give you an email. I give classes in Spring Hill at the house. Same thing. Contact me through YouTube. I'll give you an email. I'm trying to find more and more often what I'm going to do with the neon pink that sinks away so often. This is a lot of fun. I think I probably said that already, and I think I read you everything I needed to read you. At the bottom of the description underneath the video, I mentioned that there are Facebook albums of wet and dry artwork from YouTube Artworks. Yes, I like that. And I like that. I just love stealing paint and dotting my canvas, to tell you the truth. It's so easy once you're inspired to do so, but hopefully it's not so easy that I go overboard. Hopefully this dries nicely. Okay, so in the last 20 seconds of the video, you will see my playlist with over 430 or 440 videos on it, depending on when I've posted this. You will also see my webpage, which has an Instagram feed on it. You will find my Pinterest link and my Instagram link. And what else? I'm still working. Where's my crib sheet? Yeah, shop my Teespring if you wouldn't mind. Look for, on my Facebook pages, look for my fineartamericapixels.com. There's over 1,000 products. There's over 1,000 artworks, and there's like 20 products per thing. So if you want to help me out, there's all kinds of ways. Even as little expense as a $4 greeting card. Everything helps. I promise you. It's nice you guys go shopping with me once in a while. I really appreciate it. I can't help myself. I have to do it. I saw it. I had to give myself permission. All right. I love you guys. I really appreciate all the contributions you've made in the past. I know I'm redundant, but you're keeping me from being redundant. Thanks for the job. Appreciate that. And I love your guys' comments. So keep making them. Hang in there. If you're ever in need of answers to questions, feel free to ask me. I'll do my best when I have time. What else can I tell you? I think I've told you everything I need to tell you. Except for that I play so long. You can't trust me when I say I'm done. It's just too much fun. And that was fun. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in the next video. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Finally done with this piece. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.